Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize the website on Squarespace for business templates business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So you can choose here the topic from here. So if the topic isn't here, you can just choose all templates. Okay, maybe we go with professional services, and the type services, you can go with one of these templates here. So you can start with one of these, and also you can build your own templates. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can enter your business name, type any name for your business. Here you have to build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks better and attractive to attract more people and more customers. You can do whatever you like to make your site looks better. Okay, now let's move on and choose every section, every attractive section you like. Okay, now add page to your site. Choose the color value, choose any color you like, any color match with your business. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. That's for me. Now let's move on. Choose the font, choose any font you like. Okay, for example, this. Okay, and now let's finish. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. Here you can choose if you wanna continue and add the description about your website and other details, and choose the writing style, or if you wanna just skip this. Okay, for me, I'm gonna skip this, and now wait to design the website homepage. Okay, first click here, edit, and the first thing here, you have to change the text here and introduce your brand. Okay, first you have to change the text here. So you can type, for example, anything to make the text attractive. For example, welcome to our site for welcome to our site for business templates. And after this, go to this section to edit the background. So in the background, you can just select a simple art from here. Okay, and much better to use image as a background, so it's much better. So first delete this and add, click here and go to the library and go to the premium image, search on business templates. Okay, okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. So of course you have to choose your own image, you don't have to use this. Okay, after this you can change the text on this button here, whatever you like to type here. And now you can go to the site header and go to this site title. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can also upload the logo image as a file, and you can select from library. Also you can add the mobile logo image here. Now let's move on to the next section. Before we move on, you can if you want to add section on your homepage, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here. Okay, also you can add anything on your section, just click here and you can select image or video or button, whatever you like. Okay, you can move this section, you can move it down or up, you can save it and you can duplicate it. Now let's move on to the next section. So first you have to change the wave intensity. So go to the design, change the wave, and also the text size. So that's it. It's much better. Okay, now you have to delete this one and add another one. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this. Okay, so you can choose whatever you like. uh, okay, wait a few seconds, like this. uh, the text here, you can use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, and what makes them unique. So before you change the topic, you can change the paragraph to heading 4. This is more clear and more attractive. Okay, and after this you can change the topic. And now let's move on to the background. So in the background you don't have to select image, just a simple art, it's much better. Okay, like this. Now let's move on. Also here the same thing, just a simple art. Also here just a simple art. And here instead of this image you can add a map. So you can add your business, you can add your address and the city and the state and the country. And you can add you can change the design of the map. Okay, like this. And the background, just a simple art. Okay, so after you're done from here, you can, let's move on to the last section, the footer section. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, you can go to the selling section and add the product to your inventory and customize the price and the stock, and add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan. And the last tip is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for business templates business, easy and quick. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.